Want your Wix site to instantly feel like you or your brand? In this video, we'll show you how to customize your site colors and fonts so everything, from buttons to text, matches your brand identity perfectly. Let's dive in. Alright, on the Wix editor, head over to the Site Design button on the left. This is where you can set up your color theme, text theme, page background, as well as page transitions. We'll go over them one by one. Let's start with the color theme. This is where you can set your base colors, as well as your accent colors. For the base color, it's usually best to use a light color and its contrast color. So a light and dark color would do. On the other hand, accent colors are what really defines your site and reflects your branding. Depending on the template you selected, colors will be preset, but you can always change your colors here. Click on a color here, for example, this one, and this color picker window will appear. You can freely choose a color by moving this button around, but you can also input your hex code over here. That's why in the previous video, we talked about preparing your colors as well as their hex codes for a much more accurate color. If you've got your hex code, input that here and then click on apply, and that specific color will be chosen. You can do the same for all of the other colors on this color palette. By the way, you can also view some pre-made color palettes by clicking on the Change Color theme over here. You can choose from featured themes or featured color palettes below, or if you like, you can also use Wix's AI to generate a color palette that you would like. This is actually what I've been using. So in order to do that, simply input your prompt over here and click on Generate. Wix's AI will generate a color palette based on your description, and then you can freely choose a color palette from the results provided to you. Just click on a color palette to apply it, and it should successfully be applied to your site. Now, let's talk about text theme. Here, you can change the font for your headings and the font for your paragraphs. You can also customize your paragraph styles by clicking this button. Choose from the presets that they have over here. If you want to select from text templates, click on Change Text Theme and select from Featured text templates from here. Simply click on the one you like in order to apply it to your site. If you ever want to customize your page's entire background, you can do so here on the Page Background option. Here, you can pick a color, an image, or even a video to be your site's background. And if you would like to apply the same background to your other pages, in order to save time to do that, you can click on Apply to Other Pages, and they'll be automatically applied to other pages as well with just one click. And finally, we have page transitions. You can choose from 4 page transitions that they have here. So they've got the horizontal, the vertical, the crossfade, and the out-in. So freely select a page transition that you would like to be applied to your site. You can also preview your site to see your transition in action. Click on Preview at the top, and you should be able to see the transitions in action. Anyway, once you're done working on your site's color theme and text theme, don't forget to click on the Save button to make sure that your progress will be saved. And that's it. If this video was helpful, click like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.